Hey guys, what's going on? I am Onyx from Speechless Graphics and welcome back to this brand new Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a very cool looking birthday flyer inside Photoshop without any hassle. So without any further ado, let's jump into Photoshop and get started. Alright guys, here we are in Photoshop. Let's start by creating a new document with 2000 by 2000 pixels and a resolution of 300. Now I'm going to open the image to be used for the flyer and drag it into the main window. I want the woman to look at the opposite direction, so I will hit Ctrl T on my keyboard and select flip horizontally. The next thing I'm gonna do is to create a new solid color layer and select white as its color. Since we wanna see parts of the image below the color layer, I'm gonna create 3 rounded rectangles and a circle. Take note, these shapes are only going to serve as templates for erasing parts of the color layer. Let's duplicate the first created rectangle by pressing Alt key on the keyboard while clicking and dragging the rectangle. Let's increase the size of the rectangles a bit and rotate them individually. I'm gonna keep on adjusting them till I get the desired results. At this point, I need only the selections of the shapes, hence I will press Ctrl together with Shift key on the keyboard and click on the thumbnail of each of the shapes layers and quickly turn them off to reveal the selections. Right after getting the selections, click on the layer marks on the color fill layer to make it active and make sure that the foreground color is set to black. Now press the Alt key and backspace key on the keyboard to fill the layer marks with black so that the image below can be revealed. You can adjust the image to get proper view inside the revealed sections. Keep on adjusting till you get what you prefer. The document looks a bit wider, so I'm going to crop it to the right side. Now we need a little bit of overlay to break the monotony of the background, so I'm going to add some plant shadows. All the assets used in today's video can be downloaded from the link in the description. Let's reduce the opacity to 15%. Group the color fill and the overlay layers together and rename the group as background with overlay. Rename the girl's layer as image. If you've made it to this point, congratulations. At this point, we are going to add the title text, which is Happy Birthday Tracy. Type each word separately. The font I used is Montserrat. In adding the text, I'm gonna experiment with their size, position, and appearance so as to get the perfect fit for the design. Once you are done with the text, draw a thin rectangle below the birth text. After that, add the name of the individual celebrating the birthday. Let's select all the text layers and group them. Select the type tool and click and drag below the title text to add the body text. Again, put this layer into another group. Let's add the last feature for the design. Select the ellipse tool and click and drag it down while holding Shift to draw a circle. Duplicate the circles layer twice and change the color of the second one to gray. Shift it to the left a bit to appear behind the black circle on top. Change the third circle's color to medium gray and repeat the same process for it. After that, type +1 and choose white for the color of the text and add today to it. Resize the shapes and text a little bit and group them together. Add a horizontal line to the right side of these elements and call it quits. Now this is looking just so cool. This was a quick tutorial on how to create some very cool birthday flyer inside Photoshop without any hassle. So that is a wrap for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to like the video and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and always inspire your world with creativity.